good day. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Mom. I'm Jennifer Sullivan, 45 years old from Manila, Philippines. I have siblings, 2 brothers and 1 sisters. I have second in the siblings. Yes.
Do you have any experience working abroad for as a domestic helper?
Yes, Mom. I was working in Egypt last 2009 until 2023.
And
I'm going to work also Kuwait last June until September.
okay. What are your main duties in your previous employer?
My main duties in my previous employer is I'm going to clean all the house, and I'm going to, at the same time, I'm going to cook, ironing, washing the clothes, washing all the dishes.
Okay. Okay. Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, I will, Mom.
How about an elder person?
Yes, I will.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
First, check the temperature of the baby, and the second, ask your employer to what to do.
Okay. What kind of employer are you looking for?
Kind of employer I'm looking for a nice employer.
Okay. What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I'm kind, patient, and hardworking.
Okay. Can you give a short message to your future employers so that they will hire you?
Yes, Mom, sir. Good day. I'm willing to serve you for 2 years. I hope you have happily together with me,
Okay.
and I promise to do all my duties. And
Are you going to finish your contract?
yes, I
What
will.
if your employer asks you to sign another contract with them? Is it okay for you?
Yes, I'm okay. I will.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you.